Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a remote worker or you can say a digital nomad visa for Montserrat. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, since COVID, digital nomad visas have become very popular where you work from a different location altogether and you can uh, have the convenience of working remotely with internet and it also develops the local economy too because you're going to live there and spend. So that is why a lot of countries prefer this because uh, if you're working for a different country altogether, there is no local job you are taking away. Instead, you are booming the local economy by living there and spending the money. Okay. So that's what we are seeing here in Montserrat too. So I have opened this Montserrat Remote Worker. The very first thing I would recommend is go to FAQ. You'll find all the information like related to application. So this grants you a 12-month travel permit for national, non-national who is employed in a country other than Montserrat. Okay. Where can I start? So as I said, how long will it take for application to be processed? Fully completed. Processing your fully completed within 24 hours or stamp will process in 7 days. Wow. Eligibility criteria is given here. Okay. All right. What supporting documents you need? Completed application form, proof of employment, proof of annual income, proof of valid health insurance, proof of visas, proof of relationship to dependents. Okay. So you can go through all this. All right. Once you are ready, you can apply now. The stamp, apply now. So here we are going to start registration type. So if you're coming alone, not with a family, you can this. Now some applicants, so remember one thing, this is a residence visa, but you may need a visa too. Okay. So that you can check and you can apply. So that I will cover in a different video. So just a single visitor you are. I go to next. I'm just going to put some sample information. You do it as per your own case. Contact information. I'm just putting sample, but you do actual. Passport details very important. Any detail you put here, make sure you check it at least 2 times. Ah, date of expiry. Passport country official. Country of citizen. Permanent or emergency contact. Inject. Contact email. Do it now. Actually, don't do like this. Documents. So passport size photo and uh, birth certificate. This is optional. Proof of visa for countries those who need. So for that, there's a link in it. Okay. Okay. So I cannot navigate before I do. But anyway, okay. So I'm gonna do something here, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So next, travel details, intended date to visit. So whatever is applicable, do it. Next step, I'm going. If you have dependents, you can add there, but at first you selected nobody, right? Employer. So remember the condition, right? So I'll just say, let's say Canada ID, email, your occupation, that's consultant, employer number, phone number, and for description of work, provide all the details that you can. Okay. Now you need to attach the evidence, proof of employment, proof of income. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, now if you remember earlier itself, we had gone through that you need medical insurance too. So company name, policy number, and expiry date. Have you ever been convicted of serious criminal offense? I select no. Accompanying items. So provide that information. Other supporting document. So in number 6, you're going to review everything. And in number 7, you can uh, submit. And then you're going to pay the fee. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.